Hi, it's Erica from Promo Bullet. I'm back with another tutorial in the Promo Bullet training series. This tutorial will be covering categories, which is essential in managing and presenting products in your store. As you can see in my store, there's already a couple categories defined, so I'm going to be showing you not only how to create a new category, but how to move that newly created category and make it a subcategory. So the first step is to click Create Product Category. Now we see the fields to add our new category. I'm going to be adding a new category named Travel Mugs. First, I enter the name into the title field. The Promo Bullet platform supports both English and French text, so if you're not using French, you can just simply copy-paste the English into the French. For the status, we have a default enabled. You can change this to disabled or hidden. The status needs a little bit more explanation, so I'm going to be going a little bit more in depth now. Disabled means it will disappear from the storefront. It will not deactivate the items within the category, however. If you change the category to hidden, it will be active and can be accessed via the category URL on the storefront, but it will not be displayed, which is helpful when you need to add products but do not want buyers to see them until you're ready. All these options are going to be shown in a drop-down right here. Next, you can add the URL path if needed, but in most cases, the default path is sufficient. But if you want to add a specific URL or SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, you can. Again, you can just copy paste the English into the French. So now we're going to be looking at customer groups. You can assign customer groups to any category. I will not go into the specifics of the customer groups here since we're going to cover that more in depth in a separate session. But for this session, I will just select a customer group I've already created. The last section is ext data. You do not need to fill anything in here since it's used in more specific cases where additional functionality has been added by our staff. We will direct you on what to add here if it's required. After clicking Create Product Category, we'll see a brief confirmation in green that the category has been successfully created. Then I'm going to go and click the refresh icon atop the list next to product categories. And then you should see your category appear at the bottom of the listing. For example, if I want to make travel mugs a subcategory to drinkware, I would just simply drag and drop. So I'm going to drag travel mugs and drop it into drinkware. Now you can see that travel mugs is now a subcategory to drinkware. So that's it on our tutorial on creating and editing categories. Next up is going to be adding products. See you next time.